Swedish freeskier Matilda Rapaport dies in Chilean avalanche. Matilda Rapaport, the Swedish professional freeskier, has died after getting caught in an avalanche while filming for a video game in Chile, her sponsor Red Bull said. She was 30. Rapaport was filming in Farallones on July 14 when she was buried by snow from the avalanche, Swedish's Freeride World Tour said. She was subsequently hospitalized, but eventually succumbed to her injuries from a lack of oxygen, Red Bull said. A spokesperson for game developer Ubisoft told GameSpot in a statement that Rapaport was working on their new game, Steep. Matilda's courage, passion, and desire to share the sport she loved with the world served as an inspiration for other athletes and for us all, the statement said. This tragic accident has deeply touched us. Our hearts and prayers go out to her husband and her wider family at this difficult time. Originally an alpine ski racer, Rapaport eventually joined the Freeride World Tour, winning the Scandinavian Big Mountain Championships in 2011, according to Red Bull. Rapaport met husband Matthias Harjan, another skier, earlier this year in Switzerland, calling herself the luckiest woman on earth, on Instagram. In addition to her skills on the mountain, Rapaport also contributed to Swedish women's health and starred in 2013 ski movie Shades of Winter. Said Red Bull, Matilda was an extraordinary athlete, traveling the world to follow her passion, ride steep terrain and share her bright smile.